Today, we're talking about something that's absolutely crucial for anyone over 60, and that's how to maintain your muscle and your strength. Now, you probably think you have a handle on the best ways to get your protein, but what if one of the most common beliefs is actually holding you back? Let's dive in. That's a pretty bold statement, isn't it? But it's really the core of what we're going to explore today. We're going to unpack the science behind why that go-to protein source you've relied on for years might not be the best choice anymore, and we'll reveal something that works much, much better. So first, let's get on the same page about the real challenge we all face after 60. Look, losing some muscle is just a part of aging, but the speed at which it happens, well, that's something we can actually control, and it all starts with what's on our plate. And this isn't just about feeling a little less strong. This rapid decline in muscle mass can seriously affect our ability to get around, to live independently, and just our overall enjoyment of life. It's a process that can sneak up on you if you're not paying attention. There's actually a medical term for this, sarcopenia. And this is exactly why thinking about our protein intake is not just for bodybuilders. It is absolutely essential for healthy aging and for holding on to the vitality we need to really enjoy these years. So, to fight back against sarcopenia, we know we need protein. And for what seems like forever, eggs have been praised as the gold standard. But are they really the best choice for us, especially after we turn 60? I mean, we've all heard it, right? Eggs are a so-called complete protein. They're easy to make, and for a long time, that was the thinking. But what the science is showing us now is that for older adults, the story is actually a bit more complicated. Okay, let's break down why eggs might not be the best bet anymore. First, digestion. As we get older, our systems can get a little more sensitive, and for some people, eggs can just cause discomfort. Then there's cholesterol. While we know it's not the bad guy it used to be, it's still something to keep an eye on. But here's the most important part, absorption. If your body can't break down and use the protein quickly and efficiently, it just can't get to your muscles when they need it most. All right, enough about the problem. Let's pivot to a really powerful plant-based solution. It's an alternative that's not only more effective for seniors, but it's also incredibly simple to add to your daily life. So this is the million-dollar question, isn't it? If eggs aren't the top choice, then what is? What gives us that high-quality, easy-to-absorb protein our bodies are crying out for to fight off muscle loss? And the answer is actually wonderfully simple. Pumpkin seeds. That's right. These little seeds are kind of a hidden gem, and they are uniquely perfect for supporting muscle health as we age. So why? What's the big deal about pumpkin seeds? What makes them so special? Let's take a look at the actual science that puts them a cut above the more traditional protein sources. You see, the benefits go way beyond just the protein itself. Pumpkin seeds are an absolute powerhouse of minerals that are critical for your muscles. You've got magnesium, which helps your muscles contract and relax. You've got zinc, which is vital for repair, and iron, which helps carry oxygen to fuel your muscles. It's this amazing combination that makes them so effective. Now, here's the real game changer. It's an amino acid called leucine. The best way to think about leucine is like the ignition key for your car. It's the switch that tells your body, okay, it's time to start building and repairing muscle. And guess what? Pumpkin seeds are packed with leucine, so every serving gives your body that signal it needs to put the protein to work. This all sounds fantastic, but how do you actually apply it? Well, the best part about this whole thing is just how simple it is. This is not some complicated diet, it's a tiny daily habit that can lead to a really big transformation. By making this one easy switch, you're not just trying a new food. You're giving your body the exact tools it needs to combat sarcopenia, to maintain its strength, and to really unlock a whole new sense of energy and confidence. And here it is, the entire action plan. It really is this easy. Step 1, get your hands on some high-quality, raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds. Step 2, just add 2 tablespoons to your daily routine. You can put them in a smoothie, on yogurt, and oatmeal. You can even just eat them as a snack. That's all there is to it. This is what I want you to remember. 2 tablespoons every single day. It's such a small change, but it can make a world of difference in your strength, your health, and your independence after 60. So the question is, are you ready to rethink your protein?